If your EcoSmart tankless water heater suddenly stops producing hot water, you need to troubleshoot it in a clear, step-by-step way. Start at your electrical panel because these units typically require a dedicated 240-volt connection. Make sure the breakers are fully on and not partially tripped. If possible, verify voltage and amperage, since anything significantly below proper voltage can limit heating performance. Next, confirm that you have enough water flow. EcoSmart systems usually need a minimum flow rate to activate the heating elements, so clogged fixtures or low pressure can prevent the unit from turning on. If both power and flow are correct, the issue may involve internal components like heating elements or flow sensors. When error codes appear, a simple reset often helps. Holding the temperature control for a few seconds can clear minor faults. Codes related to inlet or outlet temperature sensors are frequently caused by mineral buildup, so routine descaling every few months is essential, especially in hard water areas. Always disconnect power and shut off the water supply before performing maintenance. If electrical testing or internal repairs are required, contact a licensed professional to ensure safe and proper service.